Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean the shaft with some parts cleaner and spacers.
So mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My rap, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You say some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. 'Cause I know you got me fucked up. Let me show you
I think the spacers are the same, so it doesn't matter left or right. Okay, nice and clean. Okay, great. Now, got some fresh grease here, using Yamaha grease. Lube that up. Some on the shaft. Okay, let's go ahead and reinstall the tire. Okay, go ahead and put our spacers in. 1, 2. Okay. Oh, the spacer came out a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and use your feet to lift it up. And I'm gonna have to put the shaft through. Okay. Start tightening that bad boy up.
rolling up through the black Cadillac, high heel boots, and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run
okay guys, so I heard that,
she's feeling me.
I don't have
Turn
a
it up
manual,
a few
you guys
degrees,
have a manual. No, I heard that it's 55 foot-pounds of torque. So in Japan we use Newton meters, so I did the calculation. I believe it's 75, so gonna go ahead and set this to 75, which is here. So just unscrew it. Here's your 0. Just move that up until it gets to 75. So there's 75. Keep going. A little more. Okay, there's 75 right there. Tighten that up. Okay, let's go ahead and change to the torque wrench here. Wait till you hear the click. There it is. That didn't seem so tight. It was hard to take off, but 75 Newton meters. Okay, Okay, now don't forget your lock. Where's my 12? Oh. Over here. So I don't know the torque for this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just do it nice and tight. Okay. Now I can go ahead and put our caliper back in. Okay, before I do that, I noticed that they put some red, what's it called? I don't have a red one, but I think I have the blue one, so I'll go ahead and put some new blue. Loctite, that's it. Hold on. Okay, since we have the caliper off, might as well go ahead and give it a good cleaning.
I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last.
Yes. And well, that could be my next project. Change the front brake pads. Still got a little meat on there. Okay. Okay, give that a nice little good spray. Now, go back on the caliper there. Oh, where's my blue Loctite? Okay. So I don't have red, but I have blue, so let's go ahead and get this ready. I already sprayed these down. Okay, so this should slide back on. Okay guys, sorry for that. The last one, it got cut off. So yeah, I put on my caliper. Alright. Put some blue Loctite on there. It's all ready to go, so I'm gonna go for a test ride right now. And go see how it is. So when you have new tires, you gotta be careful. I don't know, they put something on there, so just take it slow, see how it goes. So let me know guys if you like the video. If you notice anything I did wrong, let me know. And if you know the torques, please put them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe if this helped you out in any way. Alright guys, keep the rubber side down. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and catch you on the next one. Let's go for a cruise.